Hey guys, Motorcarnut here, and today we're going to be removing a front fender on a Jeep Wrangler, the JKs. All right, 2007 and up. Not that hard to do. Let me show you what you need to do. We'll come over here. Got the fender has 6 bolts. All right, you have them over here, here, and there. And then after you get the 6 bolts out, you're going to have to pry these plastic clips. I think there's 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 clips, and the fender comes off. So basically 6 bolts, and then you're gonna have to pry it out. Now, a lot of times these clips break, and what I'm gonna do, they have aftermarket clips you can buy online. I think it's only like 12 bucks. It comes with a whole bunch of them. It comes with the grips, push pins. It comes even with the plastic rivets that go here if yours are missing. See the plastic rivets? Let me show you. And basically, they're going to be here and they break. All right, they're going to break when you pry them out. So you just want to make sure you have them, to go all the way around to complete the job. Let me show you on the bench. See, it comes this little kit. It even comes with the plastic ones. These are the ones that are on the fender that break a lot. All right, and it comes with enough to do, I think, at least 2 sides. Then it comes with other ones that may not be for your car, but they're good to have. So it's always good to order this first, and it comes with the little pry tool. All right, so I'm gonna do this side now and show you how it's done. All right, first thing is this: the light bulb here. There's gonna be a socket that you're gonna take it out, and it's gonna leave this wire harness in there. But for now, you just go back here and just twist it. Let me show you. You just twist it. You twist it towards you. You see that? It gets twisted like this. All right, and like I said, there's going to be you can't get it right now, but there's going to be another connection that you don't have to take this wire harness out. All right, so now up in here, you're going to have 1. All right, you're going to have over there 2, 3, 4, 5. There's definitely 6. Yeah, let's see what the other one is. It hides. It's hiding. All right. So these are 10 millimeter. You may want to put a little oil on them. So take this one, that one. We're going to take those out right now. Because once you take those bolts out, then you just pry this off. All right, there is 6. All right, you have 1 there, 2, 3, 4. Inside that hole right there is 5. And that one in the back right there is 6. All right, now once you got that, like I said, what you're going to do is you're going to grab on this and you're just going to pull and see how they're all breaking already. That's how Chrysler and Jeep wants you to do it. So that's why you got to get new ones ahead of time. All right, and then feels like you're breaking it, but you're not. And over here, oh, you are breaking the clips, but you see, like over here, what I was talking about, there's going to be another clip inside over here that you can unclip, right? And then you leave this little harness with the fender. You just lay it down over here, and again, right here, you push this little thing in up over here, you push it. And this way you don't have to take the little connector on. And then that's it. You may get lucky, and some of them are still good. And how you get them out, instead of just prying them, this one you can't even, you go in the back here and you squeeze the 2 tabs in, all right, with a needle nose pliers or something. You squeeze them in so you don't break them. Don't try to pry them like that, they're going to break. So these 3 are good. This one's broken, that one's broken. So that's why it's good to have backup ones. And these are the 6 bolts that came out. This one goes all the way on the end near the firewall. This one. What you can do is clean them up and put some grease on the threads, you know, so they don't rot the next time you need to take them off. All right, and then when you get these new ones, these new clips, they go, you see this? This is not broken, it's supposed to be like that. And they just go on like this, the wrong way, like this, and that's it. Now you got fresh new ones, and you do that all the way around. All right, and that's basically it. All right, guys, Motorcarnut, please subscribe, hit that like button. Any questions pertaining to the video, leave them below. I answer all my questions. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.